Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to go over running regressions in Stata. We will mainly be dealing with the regress command, which is reg for short. Using the regress command is very simple. First we type reg or regress, and then the name of the dependent variable. So let's say income or inctot in this case, followed by a space, and then a list of the explanatory variables separated by spaces. So if we just want to run a simple regression of income on age, we'll just type age, hit enter, and we get our results. In the table, we get all the information that we need. For right now, we'll focus on the coefficient estimate, which is right here, approximately $991. The top half of the result will give us all of the statistics for this particular regression. Some things we might be interested in are right here, the sums of squares, and we have 3 of them. Model is the explained sum of squares, residual is our residual sum of squares, and the total, our total sum of squares. So our ESS, RSS, and TSS. In some cases, we'll also be interested in the R squared, which we can see right here on the right. As we go forward in the course, we'll be looking at the rest of the numbers in this table, but for right now, that's what we will focus on. If I want to run a multiple regression, it's as simple as adding more variables to the list. So let's say I wanted to regress income on age and sex, I would just add that right in. As we add variables, the coefficient estimates will come in on the next line in the table. As we can see, the R squared has gone up, meaning that sex gave us some additional explanatory power that age by itself did not. Once we've run a regression, then we can use the predict command to generate variables that have the predicted values and residuals from the last regression we ran. Let's look at residuals first. So to run the predict command, I'll type predict. Now the next thing we need to do is name the new variable. I'll just name this resids. Now we need options where we tell Stata what exactly it is we want to predict. So this one is pretty simple. We just type in residuals. I'm going to go to the data browser to take a look at these. The residuals tell us how far the regression's prediction was away from the real income. Now let's get those predicted values themselves. I'll call that income hat, as those are our predictions, or our Y hats. We need an option again, and the option for getting the predicted values is XB. I can go back to the data browser and we can see what our predicted values were. We can verify these numbers by looking at the difference between income hat and the actual observed income and checking if that is equal to the residuals. In fact, I'm going to generate a new variable just called check to verify this. I'm going to generate check as the difference in inctot and income hat. I'll go back to the data browser. We can see that in fact these are the same as the residuals from the predict command. We'll have a lot more to say about regression as we go forward in the course, but for right now, that's all. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thanks for watching.